When you turn on the pump show the type of the working status. Then you can start to work and counting the time by the second, minute, and hour. At this moment, you can rotate the button to control the speed. For example, we do 10 millimeter per minute. Then we display the rotating speed is 25 RPM. Then we can remember this RPM used for later calibration. If you don't want to manual control, you can go manual. In the manual, you can see we have manual control, auto control, calibration. This tree we will be used in future. Others we don't need to be sent. For the auto control, we can send a program. You can choose start. Then the speed, the pump will control based on the flow rate and time. This time is an interval stopping time. This is a doping flow rate. Then this one you can control the total doping amount at per interval. If you want to change it, you can stop and go into select it. Going to select it, and when it's displayed as E, you can rotate to send the value to your target value. For example, we send at 1, then our doping value will be 1. Then go type have L and V. LV, and also have T and speed. We recommend use L. We recommend use L and V. Then be much clearer for the control intervals. Time is counting automatically. You can also choose and select the stopping interval. For example, you want to stop 20 seconds, you can send. Then this one, click, can start to send. For example, we still send at 10. You can just send by 10, confirm. At this moment, you come back to the switch and start. Then the one will be start to calculate, and when it's reached to the volume, you'll be doping. Then start to counting the stopping time, and when the time counting until 0, it will start to work again. This is for auto control. That if this function is useful for you, you can choose this function to control the doping based on auto control. Then we go out to menu. Then we can exist. If in common you want to continuously work, you can also use either auto or either manual. If you set the interval with 0, then you can doping the total amount based on auto. If you want to use manual, you can check and control based on the time. Then you come to stop it when the solution finish. This will depend on your experimental design. For calibration, we go calibration. At this moment, for the calibration, you need to set the calibrating speed. You remember, if our target is 10 millimeter per minute, we can set the target to be 25. This time is send it to 25. 21, 2, 24. this time is for collect 1 minute. Then at this moment, we can start to run the time. Then the time will be calculated. Then at this moment, the total volume you key in, it will be the final calibration. Then we don't do, so we exist. Then after the final volume being key in, we will finish the calibration. Then the accuracy will be improved. This one you can do frequently based on the flow range you applied. If you're interested to see the send key, this will be dependent restore. If the thing you do some wrong operation, you can restore it back to manufacturing send. And language we have only English, so this one is the one we can select based on what you need.